Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Robinhood account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So as you can see here, to close your account, and basically this is a Robinhood sports articles, and here we can see the process on how you can close your account. And basically the conditions to do this is to sell all your positions, and basically you will need to have zero pending uh, deposits, zero upcoming dividends, and any other future or upcoming income. And after that, then you will be able uh, to deactivate and close your account. And basically, there is another option is to transfer your account. That means instead of closing your account positions, you can request to transfer your Robinhood uh, positions to another brokerage company. And basically, you will need just to choose where you would like to transfer your account and submit request to your new brokerage to have your assets transferred out of Robinhood. And basically, you will need just to contact the support, or you can learn more about it here. And simply by that, you will be able to transfer your account, and you can also then close your accounts permanently. And basically, you will be able to ending either your accounts from Robinhood or anything that you would like. And after that, you will be needing just to deactivate your account, and basically it won't be permanently deleted since you will need, for example, to access your document like tax documents or some statements, etc. So basically you will uh, be disabled from trading and doing any uh, trading in Robinhood, but you will be able to access your account by accessing your tax documents, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.